Hey everyone, I am here at the Signature at MGM Grand. This has been my home for the last week, and I'm gonna take you for a tour, show you around, and let you know why this is one of my favorite places to stay here in Vegas. So we were in Tower 3 of the Signature buildings at MGM Grand, and we rented a one-bedroom balcony suite. We found that it was the perfect amount of space for 3 adults. It was a beautiful suite. I'm going to take you for a tour. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is the first thing you see when you walk in the door. You get a main living area with the balcony and TV. I will show you out the balcony shortly. And then you even have a dining room table, which is very convenient since we have a kitchen. So I will show you that now. Swoop over. So you have a little sit-in, and then you have a full kitchen in this apartment, which is, I'm so happy for. It's gonna be amazing because you have a full fridge. We're gonna go grocery shopping, and Eric that is with us, he's going to make us breakfast every morning, and we can also put some beverages in there, which is helpful. You have a microwave, a stove with an oven, a sink, and a dishwasher. And it comes with all the pots and pans, knives, forks, things of that nature. Okay, so now I'm gonna walk over here. This is the first bathroom. Hi everyone. And it's just a simple bathroom. You get the sink and toilet, and then a shower. And then we got a 1-bedroom suite, as I had mentioned. So here we are. You get the 2 windows, so you get to see lots of Vegas, a individual television, and then the bed. And then probably the nicest thing of the room is the ensuite that it comes with. So it comes with 2 bathrooms. So you get 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. The toilet is in that doorway there. You got a shower, and then a jet tub, which will be nice after those long walking days in Vegas. So yeah, that is the main room, and I'm gonna show you the balcony now. So we are on the 37th floor, so it's a little high up, so I may not get right to the railing because it's a little scary, gotta admit, but it's beautiful. So we have lots of mountain view. We have some airport there, Top Golf down there, some pools from the MGM. I think that is the lazy river, a little bit of the lazy river over there. And then we have another signature building. I think that's Tower 2, and it goes all the way down. And then you have a little peek of the strip there, which is kind of cool. This was my 3rd stay at the Signature. I really enjoy staying here. One of the things I liked about the Signature is that it's not directly on the strip, as it is set behind the MGM Grand, but it is still walking distance. I also like that these 3 towers are for guests only, and there are no casinos, so it makes it a little bit quieter. Each Signature tower has their own individual pool, but then you also have access to the MGM Grand pools and lazy river. We used the lazy river this time, and we had a really great time. Pro tip, bring your own floaty tube from home, and that will help you save some money. Another great perk is that you're staying at an MGM property and may be able to use some of the rewards that you get from the My Vegas app. Another great feature is that they have indoor walkways. So each tower is attached to each other through an indoor walkway, and then the towers are attached to MGM Grand through an indoor walkway as well, so you don't have to walk outside in the heat if you don't want to. But definitely note that it can be a little bit of a trek to get from the towers all the way to the strip via the indoor walkways. I mean, either way, indoor or outside, is a little bit of a walk. Everything in Vegas is, so just keep that in mind. I did time myself from Tower 3 to the strip via the indoor walkways, and it took me 17 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this helpful in any way, please like and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll get notified for any future content. I have a lot of information coming your way soon from a European cruise, more Vegas, and Cuba. Stay tuned. Thank you.